Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the procedure on how can you recover password on LinkedIn. So in order to recover password on LinkedIn, you'll need to follow this simple steps. So what here you need to do is, first thing first, you want to open a LinkedIn application. And this is where the interface will take you, right? So over here, you simply want to make sure to go ahead and tap on forgot password underneath. Then it's going to ask you to type in the email address associated with your registered account. You want to tap on the next button. So now you'll be asked to type in the verification code that is going to be sent to your registered email. So you want to swipe down and there you could find your link. So it seems that this is the one. So you just need to go ahead and type in the verification code and tap the submit button. As you click on the submit button, here you go, you'll be able to go ahead and make changes with your password. That is, you want to simply go ahead and create a new and click on the submit button and you'll have successfully recovered your password on LinkedIn. So that's how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.